Hello all. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the Voltamp steeple cab. This was introduced 1908, 1909 and produced till 1922. Cute little steeple cab here, made in Baltimore by Voltamp. 2-inch gauge, so we're running on the ribbon rail here with wood ties and steel rail. Voltamp used this ribbon rail initially, and then later went to wood roadbed. And they made 3 sizes of their cars. These are the small little 4-inch four-wheel cars with the suspension, as is the engine with the suspension. You have a little headlight in front. You have a reverse. This was their baseline model. It came in multiple colors. You get it in green, in black, light blue, dark blue. Collect them all if you can. Steeple cabs were quite popular in the 2-inch realm. Howard being the first here in about 1904. Quickly followed by Knapp in 1904. This is the early steeple cab. And this is their late one, 1909 to 1911. There's one here in the middle, and then Howard also did a late one, 1907. Carlisle and Finch never made a steeple cab for some unknown reason, but here we have the cute little engine. The gear on the back of the wheel does not like the Carlisle and Finch switch, so nicely lettered. Normally, the B&O steeple cabs enjoyed a troglodytic life in the tunnels of Baltimore, but certainly Carlisle and Finch, or certainly Voltamp here did a beautiful job of replicating it and giving it a little glorification and making it quite cute with the little cars here. So, thank you very much for tuning in. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.